One of the final things that you're going to be customizing with your layout is the footer. The footer area is, I think, a very important design-wise. I love working with footers. I think they really tie your website together and it gives very pertinent information. The footer is an area where you put your business info and then any important links that you want on there, and you can put your logo. And so every footer that I design is basically different design wise, but a lot of the content is the same. So to get started on customizing that content, it's the same as with customizing any of the other text boxes, which is what I like to use down in the footer area. So go ahead to change out that font. You would go ahead, let's multi-select that. So hit the shift button and we are going to change out the font in this area as well. And we're going to click that gear shift button and we're going to change that heading text out to that nothing you could do font that we have been using. And we're going to change that heading text size because it's way too big. So we went down about 3 pixels. And now we're going to change that body text to what we've been using, which is the Roboto. And we went with that light. And so we changed that out. We can also change out the text color. Let's see. Let's go with this plum color 433A3F. So that color was just changed slightly. And if you wanted to change out your logo, which obviously you're going to want to, is you would just click that gearbox and then you'll take away that logo that's currently in there. And then you've already added that logo to your website. So let's go ahead and pick that logo that you've already uploaded. And obviously that is way too big. So let's go ahead and reduce the size. Click that arrows in the box on the side and just drag it until it's the right size. You don't want to go too small, then it'll be kind of blurry. Just go until it looks good on desktop and mobile. Click save. And right here is where you are going to switch out your icons. And the icons that came with your branding palette, you're going to go ahead and switch those out here. And you'll see that they go right there. So you're going to go ahead and select this one icon. And you're going to add the media. And you're going to go ahead and upload that icon that goes in there accordingly. So for test purposes, I'm just going to re-upload that and then I'm going to select it. It might be too big for that area. You see how the rest of them are smaller. So you're going to just reduce that size to match. This one is 40 by 40. So we're going to go ahead and drag that down to 40 by 40. So you're just going to upload those icons that came with your branding palette and then just adjust the size accordingly. If you have other icons you want to use, feel free to use those. And let's see, let's go ahead and move down to this little footer down here. I would appreciate it so much if you left that here. Some people don't like to have any kind of advertising on their website. I totally understand. You don't have to keep this here. I have no way of making you keep it there, but I would love it if you did. If you wanted to get rid of it, you could just hit that delete module, or you could go in and update the content of that text. You could take out my information. You could just leave that copyright and the year. So that is how you update your footer. Congratulations. Your website is so ready. It is ready to be launched. If you've made all other changes, go ahead and hit that publish button and your website will be ready for viewing. And then I'll show you how to go ahead and launch your WordPress site from here. Super excited. Congratulations.